Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, but specifically, the languages that power these incredible technologies. We're talking about the tools that developers use every day to build everything from self-driving cars to those eerily accurate recommendation algorithms. Each language has its own unique strengths and quirks, kind of like choosing the right tool for the job. Some are super versatile, while others are built for very specific tasks. We're going to break down the top contenders, explore their key features, and help you understand which one might be the perfect fit for your AI journey. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting out, this video is your guide to navigating the exciting landscape of AI and ML programming languages. Let's get started. First up, we have Python. And let's be real, this one needs no introduction. It's like the Android of programming languages, super popular, incredibly versatile, and you can find a library for practically anything. And that's a huge part of why Python dominates the AI and ML scene. We're talking about libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch, which are absolute powerhouses for building and training neural networks. Then you've got scikit-learn, which is like the Swiss Army knife of machine learning algorithms, and pandas for wrangling all that data into a usable format. But the real beauty of Python lies in its simplicity. The syntax is clean, readable, and beginner-friendly, which means you can spend less time deciphering code and more time actually building cool AI stuff. And let's not forget the massive, super active Python community. If you ever run into a roadblock, chances are someone out there has already faced it and shared the solution. It's like having a global support team at your fingertips. Whether you're building image recognition software, natural language processing tools, or even dabbling in robotics, Python's got your back. It's the go-to language for a reason, and it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Next, we have R. And if Python is the all-rounder, R is the specialist. This language lives and breathes statistics, making it the ultimate tool for data analysis, visualization, and building those rock-solid statistical models. Imagine you're a data scientist knee-deep in research, trying to uncover hidden patterns and trends. R is your best friend in this scenario. Libraries like Caret will help you build predictive models with ease, while Random Forest will have you navigating decision trees like a pro. And when it comes to presenting your findings, R really shines. It's got this incredible ability to generate stunning publication-quality graphs and charts that'll make your data sing. So if your AI work involves a lot of statistical heavy lifting, like analyzing clinical trial data, forecasting financial markets, or conducting social science research, R should be your go-to language. It's powerful, purpose-built, and absolutely essential for any aspiring data guru. All right, moving on to Java. And this one's all about building robust, scalable AI applications that can handle serious workloads. Think of it as the backbone of enterprise-level AI systems. Java's been around for ages, and it's known for its stability, portability, and ability to run on practically any platform. Plus, it's got this massive ecosystem of libraries and frameworks specifically designed for AI development. We're talking about tools like Weka, which is a machine learning powerhouse packed with algorithms for data mining, classification, and regression. Then there's Deep Learning 4J, a library built for deep learning that can handle those massive neural networks. And here's the thing about Java, it's fast. Like, really fast. It uses this thing called the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, which optimizes code execution and makes sure your AI applications run smoothly, even when dealing with mountains of data. So, if you're building large-scale AI systems that need to be reliable, scalable, and lightning fast, Java is the language to master. It's the workhorse of the AI world, powering everything from financial trading platforms to complex medical imaging systems. Now, let's talk about C++. If you need raw processing power and lightning-fast execution, this is the language for you. We're talking about AI applications that demand the absolute best performance, like computer vision systems, robotics, and even self-driving cars. C++ gets down to the nitty-gritty, allowing developers to optimize code for maximum speed and efficiency. It's like fine-tuning a high-performance engine, squeezing every ounce of power out of the hardware. And while it might have a steeper learning curve compared to Python, the control and performance gains are worth it, especially for resource-intensive AI tasks. Plus, you get access to powerful libraries like TensorFlow and DLib, which are specifically designed for high-performance computing. So if you're building AI systems that need to react in real time, process massive amounts of data on the fly, or push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, C++ is the language to conquer. It's the choice for developers who want absolute control and unmatched performance. Now, for those of you who love speed but also appreciate a touch of elegance, let me introduce you to Julia. This language is like the newcomer that's shaking things up in the AI world, and it's quickly gaining a reputation for its impressive performance and user-friendliness. Julia was designed from the ground up for numerical and scientific computing, which means it can handle complex mathematical operations with incredible speed. We're talking about performance that rivals C++, but with a syntax that feels more like Python. And here's the kicker. Julia achieves this speed without sacrificing ease of use. It's got this intuitive syntax that's easy to learn and read, even if you're coming from a different programming background. Plus, Julia has a growing ecosystem of libraries specifically designed for AI and ML, like FluxDigel for building and training neural networks, and MLJ for a more general-purpose machine learning toolkit. So if you're looking for a language that combines blistering speed with a user-friendly experience, Julia is definitely worth checking out. It's perfect for researchers, data scientists, and developers who want to push the boundaries of AI without sacrificing their sanity. All right, let's talk about MATLAB. Now this one's a bit different. It's not just a programming language, it's a full-blown software environment built for those who live and breathe numbers. We're talking about engineers, scientists, and researchers who need powerful tools for data analysis, algorithm development, and mathematical modeling. MATLAB has been a staple in academia and research labs for decades, and for good reason. It comes with a vast library of built-in functions and toolboxes that cover everything from signal processing to image analysis to, you guessed it, machine learning. We're talking about toolboxes like the Statistics and Machine Learning Toolbox, which is jam-packed with algorithms for classification, regression, and clustering. Then there's the Deep Learning Toolbox for building and training those complex neural networks. And here's the thing about MATLAB. It's incredibly intuitive, especially for those who are comfortable with mathematical notation. Plus, it's got this amazing visualization capabilities, allowing you to create stunning graphs and charts to present your findings. So if you're working in a research-heavy field or need a powerful environment for prototyping and experimenting with AI algorithms, MATLAB is definitely worth exploring. It's the go-to tool for many academics and researchers, and for good reason. Now let's talk about Scala, a language that's making waves in the world of big data and machine learning. Think of it as the bridge between powerful data processing frameworks like Apache Spark and the world of AI. Scala runs on the Java Virtual Machine, which means it inherits Java's stability, scalability, and that impressive speed we talked about earlier. But Scala takes things a step further by adding functional programming concepts to the mix, making it super efficient for handling those massive data sets. And that's where Spark comes in. Spark is a distributed computing framework that's become synonymous with big data processing. And Scala is one of the best languages for interacting with it. We're talking about libraries like Spark MLlib, which gives you access to a whole arsenal of machine learning algorithms that can be distributed across a cluster of computers, allowing you to crunch through massive data sets with incredible speed. So if you're dealing with terabytes or even petabytes of data and need to build scalable machine learning pipelines, Scala is a language worth adding to your toolkit. It's the perfect blend of functional programming, big data prowess, and machine learning capabilities. Finally, let's pay homage to the pioneers of AI programming, Lisp and Prolog. These languages might not be as trendy as Python or as widely used as Java, but they played a pivotal role in shaping the field of artificial intelligence as we know it. Lisp, with its roots in symbolic processing and its incredible flexibility, was the language of choice for many early AI researchers. It's known for its powerful meta-programming capabilities, allowing developers to write code that can actually write other code. Prolog, on the other hand, takes a different approach. It's a logic programming language, which means you define rules and facts, and Prolog's engine figures out how to use those rules to solve problems. It's particularly well suited for tasks that involve symbolic reasoning and knowledge representation. While Lisp and Prolog might not be the first languages that come to mind for building the next generation of AI applications, they still hold a special place in the hearts of many AI enthusiasts and researchers. They represent a different way of thinking about programming, and their influence can still be seen in many modern AI concepts and techniques. So there you have it, a rundown of the top programming languages powering the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning. From Python's versatility to R's statistical prowess, from Java's enterprise scalability to C++ raw speed, each language brings its own unique strengths to the table. The best language for you ultimately depends on the specific AI tasks you're tackling, the scale of your project, and your own personal preferences. Maybe you're drawn to Python's simplicity, or perhaps you thrive on the performance optimization challenges of C++. No matter which language you choose, remember that the world of AI is constantly evolving. New languages and frameworks emerge, existing ones adapt, and the possibilities seem to expand with each passing day. So, stay curious, keep experimenting, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one coding the next breakthrough in artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Let us know in the comments which programming language you prefer for AI and ML projects. See you next time.